Walker. I work for SnugTop. Here we are at the 2015 SEMA show, introducing a couple of our new products for the 2016 Colorado and the 2016 Tacoma. For the 2016 Colorado, we have the Extra Vision, which has a sportsman package. It has reinforced roof, which also has inside a fish rod holder. Can also come with a clothes hanger. As you can see, we have a theme here, a surfing theme. Being that we're located in Long Beach, California, Huntington Beach is the surf city, so we thought we'd do a surfing theme. And we have the surfboard with the Yakima racks. So as you can see, it's a whole package for the outdoor lifestyle, and here is for the surfing part. This is a 2016 new Tacoma. We were the first to have product for this model. This is a super sport model that we are showing here at the show. And as you can see, it also has a three-way light switch, which is an option for any shell. And this is our 25th anniversary here at the SEMA show, so we are always excited to be here and thank our dealers for coming and for all their business throughout the year. For more information, please contact us at 1-800-SNUGTOP or go to our website at snugtop.com. Thank you.